This is a request from one of my friends that requested that Roshni sounder on BS Sweep, and she requested it to be on that one on BS Sweep as well, and that sounder there I'm talking about on Din. But she also suggested that she suggested that sounder being on Din tone and the Roshni sounder being on BS Sweep and that one being on BS Sweep as well. Lost the right turn, and also she suggested it. Yeah. Yeah. I'm just that's the Roshni sounder, yeah. 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 And also she suggested it, yeah. And also about this one's a cover. I'm just doing a system test. I'm going to put a used glass in my Alibaba. On a sec. I'm just going to hang on a sec, so I can change it straight away. I'm just going to. So it doesn't go. Yeah, hang on a sec. I'll be with you in a sec. I'll be with you. Hang on. My Alibaba call point. And, I'm just gonna, yeah. Break this glass, isn't it? I'm just gonna. There you go. That's the cover. I'm just gonna screw it back on. Yeah. So I can change it straight away. Yes. Oh no. Yeah, and I'll switch the thing back on. Here you go. Ready? Yeah, it's pushed. Yeah, Yeah. I can turn it off. Yeah. And I can resound them like this. Yeah. No, I can. Because that call point is pushed. Yeah. Yeah, I need to unscrew. Yeah, I need to unscrew the call point. Hang on a sec. There, I'll just do it like. I need to. Damn, I need to do it the wrong way. I just need to. Yeah, take the cover off. Take this. See that glass there? Switch comes down if it breaks the glass. Elements. This is where the glass goes. I'll show you. Hold the switch. Isn't it? And if I push it like that, releases the switch. It does release it, doesn't it? If I do, the glass is out or broken, snap. If I do, look, releases the switch. Clever, hey. Right, if I put this one in, and you know, and if I put that key in there from the side, which test that pulls the glass down like that, it pulls it down and it stops the glass when the cover's on. It stops it from falling. If I do that, pulls the glass down, and the alarm would go. Yeah. Let me just crack on, put the cover back on. Yeah, when the cover's on,